how do you group specific rows or columns in Google Sheet? This is important if you want to clean up your Google Sheet and you want to hide certain things, make it easier to group, easier to see as well. But before I show you how, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump into my computer and let me show you how you can group certain rows or columns in Google Sheet. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your Google Sheet. So for grouping, it's actually very easy. So for example, I want to group this row, right, today and tomorrow under dates. So I just have to click today and tomorrow under the word dates. You don't group the whole thing, you just group like this. Alright, just click on view, group, groups. So you can see that it groups all under dates. So you just have to hide it. Alright, same as these things to do like record video, get 10k, please subscribe, it is free. Okay, all you have to do is just group all these four, click on view, group, and group. So you can see that it's grouped together, alright, on things to do. Alright, so if you want the main header, let me just add one. So for example, you want to group the groups, you can do that as well. You just have to drag the whole thing, select the whole thing, go view, group, and group row to, and then it will be one big group. Alright, I think this one can do a few rounds. So this is for rows. If for columns, same thing as well. I got a sample data here. So you can see that I do not want it to show week 1 to week 4 for every month. Alright, because I already have a total here. But nevertheless, I think I still want people to put in the data every week. So this is one way you can do for data. So I just want to hide this. How do you hide this? You just have to collect this, click on view, same thing as well. Group, group column, there. Same thing as well here. Group, view, group, group column, and then you can hide it there. So you can see that actually all the January one is already being hidden. Alright, so yeah, so that's how easily you can group your column and row. If you want to ungroup, it's also very easy. Just click on this, same thing as well, view, group, ungroup them. Alright, so it is that simple. I hope this is useful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.